Welcome to green technology, where massive transport, clean energy logistics, and precision engineering prove that power can move smarter, safer, and more efficiently. Here comes the mighty Paul R. Tregartha, the Queen of the Lakes, gliding beneath the lift bridge with effortless control. Crowds gather, cameras rise, and Duluth once again shows why it remains one of America's great shipping landmarks. What a scene! A 15-axle modular trailer, stretching 48 meters long, hauls a 135-ton press component from Mjelnik port to Ostrava. With the full setup standing nearly 5.85 meters high and weighing 239 tons, including the push truck, every bridge, curve, and road section becomes a calculated challenge. One crane, 3 demanding days, and a crew that turns oversized transport into precision logistics. A fully loaded concrete truck carrying around 12 yards rolls over after taking an off-ramp too fast. Fortunately, no vehicles were in its path, and the driver escaped with only minor injuries. Recovery teams from Fink's Towing and Tidewater Express handled the cleanup, showing how fast response matters when heavy equipment fails. A massive tank, almost 3 times wider than the truck carrying it, moves from Bunbury to Worsley under careful escort. With road planning, traffic control, and tight coordination, this oversized load proves that heavy haulage is not just about horsepower. It is about discipline. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Sarens takes on a 230-ton reactor with controlled force and perfect timing. Riding on Kamag SPMTs, the steel giant moves through tight bends like a heavyweight dancer. Every turn tests the crew. Every inch has to be earned. This is not ordinary transport. This is industrial choreography. HHA carries out a high-precision move of a 241-ton generator from Brisbane to central Queensland. Using a 1/6 axle setup with a gross weight of 500 tons, the convoy balances massive force with controlled steering and careful weight distribution. Moving a 4,500-ton tugboat across land on self-propelled modular transporters is engineering at another level. Every axle carries extreme pressure. Every movement must stay synchronized, and one mistake could become catastrophic. But with planning and skilled operators, the impossible becomes routine. Trams in Omsk now appear to come with surprise ejectable parts. Maintenance might sound boring, but ignoring it turns public transport into a rolling hazard. A runaway vehicle smashes into a church, takes out a pole, and keeps going until it hits a house. The damage is serious, but the key point is simple. It was lucky no one stood in its path. If this explosion does not make you double-check your gas tanks, nothing will. It looks like an action movie, but in real life, pressure and poor safety checks are not entertainment. Ahola Logistics completes a multimodal transport project, relocating 2 pulper drums from Finland to Germany. Road, sea, and barge transport work together, with each transfer point requiring stability checks, load control, and strict safety discipline. If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. The Panther Series 2 brings up to 130 tons of hauling muscle, moving massive loads with controlled strength. Machines like this show how modern heavy transport combines raw capability with smarter movement. A 200-ton gas turbine, 2 1/8 axle trailers, 4 trucks, and 1 mountain pass. This is not just transport, it is industrial-scale coordination. As the Blue Giant twists through a dangerous curve, every inch becomes a fight against physics, pressure, and gravity. In all the chaos, the most important thing is that no one was seriously injured. The bridge repair bill, however, is going to hurt. The TT-4, a Soviet-era logging machine, still dominates rough terrain decades later. Built for endurance, this tracked workhorse drags heavy logs through mud, slopes, and harsh conditions without giving up. Transporting a Cat 793F is not something you do with ordinary trailers. It requires specialized multi-axle platforms, careful load distribution, and experienced crews who understand that planning is the difference between success and disaster. Alley's heavy haulage moves a large cable reel from Bruntingthorpe, requiring accurate load balance and secure restraint. With cargo this heavy, even a small shift can become a major problem. A 90-foot crane threads through razor-thin curves with guardrails only inches away. This is where driver skill matters more than machine size. Power gets the load moving, but precision keeps it alive. South Africa's biggest abnormal load begins its journey. A massive storage tank weighing 70 tons, standing 15.8 meters wide and 17 meters tall. Power lines are rerouted, traffic lights removed, bypass roads built, and every obstacle becomes part of the plan. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. Iron ore convoys haul 90-ton loads across 150 kilometers from the Kankasvara pit. Lead trucks pull, rear units assist balance, and hydraulic lift trailers allow smooth unloading. This is bulk transport built for efficiency and safety. Forget average cargo. APB Plengen moves an entire vessel from Dallashies to Orlik. The Vysochina boat rises by crane, squeezes through tight village roads, and turns every meter into a test of coordination. A 180-ton SM4200 surface miner travels from Perth to Cloudbreak. Rain-soaked curves, long highways, and heavy-duty trailer systems make this move a serious test of logistics. MLG Transport proves again that heavy hauling is controlled pressure. A pressure vessel over 100 meters long moves inch by inch on SPMTs. This is no regular haul. This is mega-scale logistics where speed means nothing and control means everything. Rain pours, traffic stops, and a 398-ton pressure vessel over 67 meters long crawls through tight urban streets. Every curb, pole, and streetlight becomes part of the puzzle. Day 1 brings snow and near whiteout turns. Day 2 brings success. The Yellow Giant from Steinauer AG does more than haul wood waste. With photovoltaic-powered chipping, precision unloading, and ISO 17225D1 biomass standards, it turns waste into clean energy material. Clean chips, clean power, and a smarter future for biomass. The oversized load sign marks the start of another heavy transport challenge. Reversing a 164-ton super long load is not a normal driving task. It takes patience, spotters, communication, and total control. Once a mighty force on the tracks, the BB63000 now rides silently on a lowboy trailer. Every inch forward begins a new chapter of maintenance and restoration. Real power does not disappear. It transforms. And finally, watching a massive load cross a bridge like this makes your palms sweat. The driver's skill is impressive, but the fact that the bridge holds steady is just as remarkable. Heavy transport is not only about machines, it is about trust, timing, and engineering that cannot fail. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day.